vegetable and meat mincer slicer machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left and right. To left to right, we have at least 11 3/4 inches. Overall height, we have at least 14 inches. Included will be a waste tray and a cleaning set for cleaning and washing. All this will be included. This machine will work for vegetables and meats, and you get 2 separate compartments. First compartment, you can dump in your ingredients. It will dispense right here in this area, and the waste will be collected, so you can dump it out. Right here will be a separate slicing compartment for tomatoes and other vegetables and fruits. Coming back here is your 110, 120 outlet connection and your power switch. Our meat and vegetable mincer slicer machine. For any questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.